my channel. I hope you all are doing good. Well, I wanted to do this video long back, but due to other priorities it got shifted, and it's a haul video. I have shopped a lot for the past few weeks and I have a lot to share with you guys. So where to start? I should not waste any more time because I can see a lot of shopping bags around me. So I'm going to start with Lulu and Sky first. So I think I bought two products from their store at Select City Walk, and I got one top from their online store. So I got these very beautiful shoes from Lulu and Sky, and look at these, how cute they are. I'm in love with these shoes. So these shoes are worth rupees 3,799, but I got it on sale. So let me check the price. Oh my god, I got it only for 1,300. So happy. Let me just keep it down because I'm sitting on bed. Next thing that I got is this Bomba Jacket from Lulu and Sky again. And the price of this jacket is, it's 2,949, approximately 3,000, and I paid, oh god, I just paid 1,063 rupees. Oh my god, I'm just noticing it right now. The prices are slashed like crazy. So this is a khaki bomber jacket with gold chains, and I wanted to buy one bomber jacket for a really long time, and finally I got one. And it's quite warm and fluffy. And the third article that I got from their online store is this Lulu and Sky yellow sweater. It's a cold shoulder sweater, and you have seen me wearing this sweater in my last video, the Garnier video. Alright, now coming on to Forever21. I think I got very few items from Forever21. So the first one is this mini dress. It's a floral dress apt for summer, but I really love this one. This one was really cute, so I bought it, and it comes with a belt. And I think it was also really cheap. Let me check the price. This is, yeah, it's just for rupees 629. It was also on sale. So I think sale will go on up till 26th of Jan, I think. So you can check their store out. And I can't wait for the summers to arrive so that I can wear this dress. It's so cute. Then I got one lint roller. This was much needed. And yeah, I got some accessories as well. I got these hoops from Forever21, and it was not on sale, I guess. This is worth rupees 289. And I also got one neck chain, two-tier neck chain. I was searching for this neck chain for a long time. It's very delicate. So you have a single stone onto the top and then some beads on the lower chain. It's really cute. Now moving on to Zara. I shopped the most from Zara. So let me just show you. So this was an old purchase, not so old. I have worn this shirt once in a video. Yeah, last to last video, I think, or last to last. Yeah, so it's also a new shirt, and I wanted to do this haul video long back, so it was supposed to be featured in that haul video. But anyways, I just wanted to show you. I love this shirt. Oh, I retained the tag so that I don't forget the price. So I love this shirt. This is so beautiful. Anyways, I love a checked shirt, and it has got this beautiful hand embroidery on it. And the price of this shirt is 1,890 after discount, and the original price is, sorry, 2,709. Now all the stuff that I'm going to show you is my latest purchase. So I got it, I think, on Sunday, and today is Tuesday. This one is my favorite out of all the things that I bought from Zara. It's a long red dress, and you can wear it on top of jeans, or you can just skip your jeans and wear it alone. It's really beautiful and I love red color, and I bought it for rupees 1190 and the original price was 2790. Then I bought this shirt, this really cool shirt from Zara. It's a plain shirt with pearl embellishment on sleeve, and you can wear it for casual outings as well as for formal office look. So it will go with both, and I got it for rupees 1190 again, and the price original price was rupees 2490. And the most hottest thing that I bought from Zara is this particular shirt, and I really love the color. I think this is the only top that I have in this color. It's so pretty. So it's a wraparound top. You have to tie it to wear it, and it's really hot, but I will have to wear it on top of any tank top or something because it's a little deep for my comfort zone. Anyways, then I got one really cute jeans. Okay, and the price of this top is 1190. All the things that I bought are worth rupees 1190 anyways, and the original price was 1790. Then I also got this beautiful jeans from Zara. I love this, and I got it for, it's worth rupees 1062. I don't know the original price, I'm sorry, but it's beautiful. Now coming on to H&M, I have just one thing from H&M, and it's an overcoat. You can wear it in summers as well because it's not a thick material and it's quite breathable, and the original price is 2999 and I paid 1500 for this. I saw Deepika Padukone wearing this one and I was in love with that particular look of hers. Unfortunately, I found the same overcoat. Now, style. I got only two formal clothing from Lifestyle. So first one is this blazer by Van Heusen, I think. Yeah, and the price is 2499 without discount. It was not on discount, but the fitting is really amazing. I loved this blazer. And then I also got one formal shirt, again in mustard color. It's really beautiful and the fitting is again amazing. I love the fittings of Van Heusen formal clothing line. It's amazing. I love it. And I got it for rupees 1699. Now coming on to online shopping part. I got this top from Stock by Love and I love the color, but I'm not sure how this looks on me. Let me know how this looks on me. And the price is not written on the tag. I will let you know. I'll check it online and I'll let you know. But definitely I bought it on discount. Now coming to the last clothing article. So this was my first Instagram store purchase and I was really nervous that how it will turn out. So I got one ethnic lehenga piece from one Instagram store. I will check my phone and I'll let you know which store was that. So I bought this velvet lehenga piece from Instagram store. Look how lovely this looks. So I didn't want any heavy ethnic material. I just wanted a really subtle but ethnic lehenga material. I really love the picture of this particular lehenga, but I was not sure how this will turn out to be, but it turned out pretty good. And these pearls are tucked in very carefully using, I don't know, steel pins, so you can be sure that they won't fall out. And I got it stitched from a local boutique. And to pair this lehenga with a dupatta, I got this really beautiful dupatta from Big Bazaar. It's really amazing. And it looks really good with the navy blue velvet lehenga. Now coming on to the beauty products, I bought this body polisher by Forest Essentials. This is their cane sugar and tamarind body polisher. During winters my skin turns really dry and I flake a lot, and I also suffer from ingrown hair problems, so I needed a good scrubber body polisher to remove those ingrown hairs and flakes. So, and I have heard good reviews of this particular body polisher, so I bought this one and I have used it once. So let me first show you how this looks like. So you get one spatula like this, a wooden spatula, and you will get one big tub of body polisher. This is a cane sugar and tamarind. It will also remove any blemishes and pigmentation from your inner thigh and underarm area and your neck. So yeah, it's really good. And you also get one herb infused oil which you have to mix it with this body polisher and then apply it onto your wet skin and rub it. So I've used this once and I loved it. The fragrance is really amazing, of course, like any other Forest Essential product. But I wish it was a little more exfoliating. The particles, the exfoliating particles, they melt really easily, really quickly when it comes in contact with your skin and water. So yeah, I wish it was a little more exfoliating. Anyway, but it is safe for environment. It does not contain any plastic beads, plastic exfoliating particles, which is really bad for our environment. But next time I will add some crushed sugar granules to this particular body polisher while exfoliating my body, so that the exfoliation becomes a little more intense as per my liking. So yeah, I will do that. Otherwise, it's a really good product and it's worth rupees 2,750. So yeah, that is it, I guess. I can see clothes all around me, and go check these stores out. They're running huge discounts on their articles, and go grab them before the sale is gone. And even the collection is really good. So yeah, that is it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video and this video was useful for you. I hope it was. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.